Today we're making chicken breast fajitas bake. This is a meal prep idea. We're going to start by cutting our chicken breast to our desired thickness. Once we've done that, we're going to add it to our baking dish, which I've lined with aluminum foil to make it easy cleanup. And just arrange them so they all get some of the toppings on top and seasonings. And the seasonings are to your personal taste. We're going to start with some salt. Some chili powder. Paprika. Ground cumin. And once you got it all seasoned, you're going to top it with some sliced red onion. There's about 1/4 of an onion. And you're trying to arrange them all on the top of the chicken breast, so each piece of chicken breast that you get some of the toppings also. Now we're going to add some red bell pepper. And some yellow bell pepper. And some orange bell pepper. If you have green, go ahead and use green, or whatever bell pepper that you happen to have. Now we're going to season with the same seasonings on top of our veggies to give those some flavor. Once you're done seasoning, we're going to bake this at 350 for 35 to 40 minutes or until your chicken is done. Once it's done, as soon as you take it out of the oven, we're going to top it with some cheese. Or you can just skip the step if you're not eating cheese or your meal prep is not high fat. And that's it. Hope you enjoy. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye.